kind of starting to, there we go. Starting up the Goldilocks here. We're on one cylinder. Oh, a little more gas, don't stall. Spark plugs aren't quite firing. There's 2 cylinders. We'll let off the gas so it's not idling too high. Just enough to keep it running. If I let off too much, it'll go back to 1 or 2 cylinders. Keep a low idle, make sure the oil gets up into the motor before you rev it. Yeah, this truck is funny like that. If you drive it every other day, it's fine. Or even every 3 to 4 days, it's fine. This hadn't been started in probably close to a month, actually. We're on 3 cylinders. I hear number 4 trying to kick in. Come on. The window's shaking. So, if it weren't for the motor, this is a great little truck. It's nimble, it's light, transmission works great. Everything's there. This needs a motor transplant. So, we're gonna go change the cap, rotor, and wires off the other truck. We'll upgrade this one. There's all 4. Nice and smooth. Okay.